Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to mute account on TikTok. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to the inbox section. Click on this inbox section, and here we have to click on this plus button on the top left corner. Okay, and select an account you would like to mute. And for instance, I'm just going to mute this account. So we can click on the account like this, and we can click on chat. Okay, and this is the room chat of me and this account. Then we can click on this three dots on the top right. And since we want to mute account, we can click on mute notification. Okay, and after that, the notification from this account will be muted, and we won't get notification from this account. And I guess that's how we can mute account on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.